Hello friends, welcome to Sekho. In the previous video we have discussed about number system. We have defined numbers, then we have talked about number lines, and then we have defined various sets of numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, then integers, then we have discussed about rational numbers. Okay, in this video I am going to actually discuss about some examples given in your textbook, and then we are going to solve the exercise 1.1. exercise 1.1, very easy problems, but indeed they are very interesting. Mathematics itself is interesting, isn't it? If we go step by step, everything becomes clear, and this is very interesting. So let us see example number 1. Example number 1. Here you see that are the following statements true or false. So we have to find whether the statement is true or false, and also we have to give reason for our answer. Okay, so question number 1, every whole number is a natural number. So what is definition of whole number? Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3 ... up to infinity. And what is definition of natural number? Natural number means 1, 2, 3 ... up to infinity. So in whole number there is 0, but in natural number there is no 0. So 0 is whole number but not natural number. So every whole number is not a natural number. Every whole number is not a natural number. 0 is not a natural number. 0 is whole number but not a natural number. So statement 1 is false, because 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. Now let us go to question number 2. Every integer is a rational number. So definition of integer is written like z and ... -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 ... up to infinity. So this is the definition of integer. Now every integer is a rational number. Rational number is a number that can be represented like p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0. Q cannot be 0. Okay, so can we write -3 like p by q? Yes, -3 can be written like -3 by 1, no problem, or maybe -9 by 3. So -3 can be represented like p by q, no problem. 0, can we write 0 equal to p by q? Yes, 0 by 1, there is no problem, or 0 by 100, no problem. So we can write 0 also p by q. Any number like 3 equal to 3 by 1, or maybe 9 by 3. So all these numbers can be represented like p by q. So all the integers are rational numbers. This is true. So true, because every integer m, any of this integer, if we call it m, then we will be able to write it like itself by 1, and we will get that number itself. So it is a rational number. Okay, every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. Now half is a rational number and it is not an integer, isn't it? Because integers are these numbers. So every rational number is not an integer. So this is false. This is false. So we have done example 1. Example 1 is done. Now let us go to example 2. Example 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. There are many ways of doing it. Let us discuss few ways. Let us draw a number line. This is, let us say this is 0. This line looks very bad. Let me draw a little better. Okay, let me draw a little better. It does not look good. So let us draw a number line. Yes, this is much better. So this is 0. Let us say this is 1, and this is 2. So we have to find how many? 5 numbers between 1 and 2, 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So if we add 1 and 2, then divide by 2, we get a number in between 1 and 2, and it will be at the middle of 1 and 2, isn't it? Because 1 means this much and 2 means this much distance. So if we divide these two distance, then we get the middle point actually. So we will get this much. So this point will be like 3 by 2. Okay, now we have got 3 by 2 in the middle. If we take average between 3 by 2 and 1, then we get 1 plus 3 by 2 by 2. How much? It is like 5 by 4. 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 will be in the middle of these two, isn't it? So this is how we can keep on doing. Then we take 5 by 4 plus 1, then we get another, we add 3 by 2 plus 2, 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2, then we get 7 by 4. 7 by 4, 7 by 4 will be in the middle between 3 by 2 and 2. So this is how we can find how many. Actually, if you keep on doing this, you will get infinite numbers of integers. All these numbers are represented actually like p by q, and all these numbers lie between 1 and 2. So this is how you can find infinite numbers of integer numbers. So, and this method is discussed, I think, in solution number 1. Now let us go to solution number 2. In solution number 2, what they have done, they need 5 integers. So they actually written 1 like 1 by 6 by 6, and 2 like 12 by 6. We need by 6. Okay, they have written like this. Then what they have done, here you can see that 7 by 6 will be greater than this number, but this will certainly be less than 12 by 6. Then 8 by 6, it is also greater than 6 by 6 means 1. It will be greater than 1, but this will be less than 2. Why? Because the 12 by 6 is much greater than this. Then 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6, then 12 by 6. So all these numbers will lie between 7 by 6 and 12 by 6. This is one method, and this is nice. So you can do this also. So there are many other ways. Also, another simple way is you can do 1 plus 1 by 2, or 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by 4, and all these numbers will lie between 1 and 2, and they will be integers. Why? Because what I am adding is less than 1, half, 1/3, 1/4. So it will never be 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, but I am adding 1 plus some small number smaller than 1. So it will always lie between 1 and 2. So this is another method, and you can find infinite numbers of rational numbers like this between any given two numbers. So this is also another method. So this is very easy and interesting. There are many ways to do it, and you should do in at least 2, 3, 4 different ways, so that you can enjoy mathematics, isn't it? You will feel better when you will be able to solve a single question in 3, 4 different ways. Now let us go to exercises. There are 4 questions, and they are extremely easy questions and interesting also. Let us enjoy them. Even if they are hard, we will enjoy them. Okay, so question number 1, is 0 a rational number? Is 0 a rational number? So yes, 0 is rational number, because 0 can be written like 0 by 1 or 0 by any number like 9 or 99, whatever. So 0 can be written like p by q. So 0 is a rational number, but we cannot actually divide 0 by 0. This is not valid. So this is beyond question. Okay, we should not talk about this now. So it can be written like something by something, p by q, where q is any integer. Okay, except 0. and we can write 0 like p by q. So 0 is a rational number. Question 1 is done. Let us go to question 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Can you do it? 6 rational numbers. Yes, it is very easy. 3 plus 1 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 3, 3 plus 1 by 4. All these are rational numbers that will lie between 1 and 3 and 4. You can do this, or maybe you can average 3 plus 4 by 2. Then what you get, you take that and then make again average. Okay, 7 by, you get it 7 by 2, for example, in the middle between 3 and 4. Then you take 7 by 2 plus 3, then make it average. Then you get again 13 by 2. So this is how you keep on doing, and you get all the rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Can you do it? 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. What will you do? You don't have to think much. Just what you have to do is keep on averaging these two numbers. Okay, no problem. Keep on averaging between these two numbers, and you will get number between these 2 points, and then average between these two, average between these two, average between these two, and keep on doing this. So you will be able to do this also, very easy. Then question number 4, state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answer. Okay, every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot 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 up to infinity. And whole numbers includes all these numbers and 0 also. So all natural numbers, every natural number is a whole number. Yes, 1 is whole number. Yes, 4 is whole number. Yes, isn't it? So every natural number is a whole number. It's true. So how will you show your reason? You will write this definition in your paper, and you will say that all these numbers belong to W. So every natural number is a whole number. Okay, every integer is a whole number. Okay, every integer is a whole number. What is the definition of integer? I am writing here. Okay, no problem. So integer, definition of integer, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, but they include negative numbers also, 3, -2, -1. Okay, dot dot dot. So these are integers, and these are whole numbers. These are whole numbers. These are whole numbers. So every integer is not whole number. For example, -3 is not whole number. Okay, so every integer is not whole number. What will be your reason? You will write these definitions, and you will say that these negative integers are not part of whole number. So every integer is not whole number. Now let us go to question number 3 of question number 4. Every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. This is outrightly wrong, because half is a rational number, but it is not a whole number. This is not a whole number. So we have done the exercise 1.1. It was quite easy and amazing, interesting, enjoyable, and we will keep on doing problems like this. I'll cover entire NCERT Class 9th book first, and then I will cover all your NCERT mathematics and science books, okay, of all classes. So please like this, hit the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe this channel, because this is a new channel. If you hit the like button, if you like this video, and if you subscribe this channel, I will be motivated to keep on making more videos, and I will be able to cover entire NCERT science and mathematics syllabus. So thank you for watching. I'll see you soon again in some next video.